Luar Kapatisi TV.
Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek CM ke khalai terik urisau araja absan. Ulai thu bakat kum ke jingtok ke jong ke pulit kilalap baka Khynnah ke bala khatsau Snem karta bat Samla jongka ubala dan menta hakti jong ke pulit kidai ke balayalang nadu artayo menchua. Kat kum ke jing thu USP hakilat petai ke bor. Ki pulit kelatian bisharu yo Samla jong ke Khynnah khatsau Snem hakashari dak ba pengat hapo ke kendon rabor bat set jubor bat hadian balayalang banle ya medical examination. Ki pulit kila IT no ya Khynnah syagi bayi ngasem. Haba keli USP ulai thu ba uniu Khynnah ulak ban ngatru wat ha kejing Shah set Phatok ke bakot lai hadu news Snem.
Recently it's a majority. He is having a relationship with the girl. They've been having a relationship for more than 2 weeks. They've been in touch with each other. And yesterday about 6:45, 6 side and all that, she had left home on her own and met with the boy. And the girl was in the boy's house. So here we registered a case. A missing report was actually initially filed, and after we found the boy and we found he's in the age of majority and she's a minor, so we have taken a case of abduction and wrongful confinement. Right now he's been produced in court, and the girl has been medically examined and she's been handed over to her family.
So what is the severity of the punishment in case of guns?
See, we have first proved that in abduction and all that it's below 7 years. Below 7 years, 3 years to 7 years and all that. Depending on the degree of abduction, if it's just abduction if it's for ransom, then it's more.
Pin rius pa ya kaktin la jong pin dam kam ya kabakan kiyo kaktin khasi kaktin la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kantin khasi kardop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan kakten khasi kamju ong banya kiw yau up hinrengi kiw yau thep to dayakan mau kendit ho lapan mi da kapati CTV na kabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba